Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Welcome to a new vlog. It's your girl Precious. Just in case you're new here, I'm heading out now. I'm excited to head out because I want to go make my hair. Let's go switch up our looks. First of all, I'll make a quick stop at a salon. I'm supposed to drop this off with her. Let me show you guys. So she got this bangle. I'll take a picture to show you guys. And this earring. So I'm going to a different salon to braid my hair. You guys know the story, and I have a particular woman that braids my hair, but I'm already late, so let me just hurriedly head out and I'll talk to you guys later. I also want to fix my nails, but I'm not so sure because fixing my nails will have to be in a different salon, which I don't know how I'll be able to navigate that. But let me just go and make my hair first, and then any other thing I'll carry you guys along. Okay? Yeah. Yep, I just dropped the jewelry up there. I don't know if you guys see the salon up there. So yeah, let me go drop the boys at my mom's, then head to braid my hair. She started calling me herself that someone wants to braid, but she's just slowing down. This is currently past 12 and I want to go out, though it is raining, like drizzling, like very tiny raindrops. You could actually walk under it, but I'm going to take an umbrella anyways. I know I've not shown you guys my hair in full. It looks very beautiful. I just packed it carelessly just to be able to sleep last night, but I'm just about to head out. I want to go fix my lashes. I wasn't able to do all of that yesterday. I didn't fix my nails. I finished from braiding my hair real late. The hair is pretty long. It's actually longer than this because I packed it. So it took time, and then my battery ran down, so I could not, what's it called, I couldn't vlog anymore. So I just finished with the hair, picked the boys, and we headed back home. So I think I do see salons around my area, so I just want to take a walk around here and find a salon that I can fix my lashes. I'm not so sure about fixing my nails anymore because honestly, when I have a newborn baby, I do not like to fix my nails. I just like to be free to use my hands anyhow I want to, without trying to be too cautious of putting my hands in their eyes and all. But the thing is, I've missed fixing my nails. Like, I'm craving it, so I don't know. I'm still having second thoughts, and I'm like, maybe when I get to it, I find the salon, I'll just decide then. The reason why I was even telling you guys about the rain, because I don't know if I should use a sunscreen because it's raining. There's no sun because the weather is cloudy, very gloomy. But I used my tretinoin last night, so I might just be on the safer side, maybe just a little bit, because price of skincare should be, they say if you use little sunscreen is as good as nothing, but I don't believe it. I still believe little is better than nothing. I'll show you guys the full hair, but for now, let me just go do my lashes. Guys, the hair is so fine. My husband said it makes me look like a 12-year-old girl. I was like, it brought out my real age. Guys, see my nails. I'm so excited. Can you guys see? It's so cute. I finally decided to do it because we are always sacrificing a lot as mothers. I was like, you know what, I can be careful. I mean, I'm an adult, even though I did like the shortest nails. Look at my nails. It's so fine. It's so cute. I wanted to just do the lashes. By the way, let's talk about the lashes. The lashes are so freaking short. This is my first time of doing something this short. I don't even know how I feel about it. I don't even know if it's evident that there are lashes there. So I might just carry it for some days and I'll go take it off, because honestly I just feel indifferent. I don't hate it, but I don't think I like it. So let me just carry it for some days, have a different look, and then I'll just go take it off. I was this close to telling her to just take it out and put the normal length I'm used to. I was like, I might be hurting my natural lashes, so let me just leave it and carry it on for some days. So now we are done talking about the lashes, let's go back to the nails. So I didn't know what to do to my nails. I thought I needed something short, and this length is very perfect. And she was like, what color, what design? Like, design on these short nails, I don't think it might not give what it's supposed to give. So I was like, you know what, let's just go for one color, and you can never go wrong with red. And I painted this shade of red on my toenails. I was like, you know what, I like the shade, so let's just apply it. And boy, I am loving it. Anyways, guys, this is the full hair. I just loosened it because like I took it out of the band. It's quite long, and I don't know how I can show you guys the length, but it's longer than my waist. I don't know if it's longer than my bum, or maybe my bum length. I'm a tall girl, so it looks very fine, because I feel like long lengthy hairs are more prettier on tall girls. I just feel like it looks very nice on me compared to short hairs. So this is the hair. It can be styled this way. So let me know which look you prefer. You know, thank God for knotless. So person that brought out knotless, you don't know what you did for the girlies. Okay, I think this one should go back. Oh, look at that look, guys. Look at that look. I like this. And as well, you know, carry it this way. I can as well go all right. I'll have to like place it well, but you guys know the drill. You get the gist, right? I just need edge control to control the edges. Yeah, I like it, guys. It's so pretty. I'm looking here because I'm looking at the mirror. Ah, it's so cute, guys. Oh my god, I'm in love. See, braids, let's leave wigs aside. Braids are the real deal, right? It's my birthday, guys. Oh my god, I don't even know how I'm feeling, but I mean, I am grateful for life. I am healthy and hearty. Oh my god, it's finally 9th of September. This is morning. It's not been long I woke up. This should be, just in case you're wondering who is dragging my clothes. Kate is here. Oh, this is 11 o'clock at the dot actually, and I think I'm still supposed to be sleeping, but you know, calls and messages, my phone has been buzzing, and I'm not complaining. I'm excited for it. Oh my god, guys, you guys came to my DM, my Instagram DM. This is the first birthday that I'm receiving birthday messages from my subscribers on Instagram. I felt some of you even sent by 12 a.m. and I'm like, wow. I think I slept around 1 a.m. ish or so, but I saw some messages and I'm like, oh my god. And I saw the names. I'm like, these names look familiar, and I was like, YouTube, it's YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. This is the first birthday. I mean, when I post my pictures on my timeline on Instagram, some of you comment, you know, happy birthday and all, but this is the first time that you guys are coming to the DM. And I did not post my birthday. I've not posted my birthday on any of my social media, even my WhatsApp said that is like personal. I've not done any of that. So it means that it's either Instagram reminded you, which I doubt, or because of that video I spoke about my birthday, you guys marked it on your calendar. Oh my god, you guys don't even know how I feel or how I felt when I saw the messages. Like, so wholesome. Anyways, like I said, I don't have any plans for today. I'm not doing anything. I'm not even sure I'll put up any pictures on my social media. I'm still thinking, should I or should I not? I don't know, but as if everything that is even going on in my head was not enough, I had to still take Nato to the hospital. Universe is doing something, but my god is strong. Anyways, so I took him to the hospital yesterday. Thankfully, it wasn't anything that serious, but he's supposed to take like 3 days of injections with, you know, normal medication. So I'll also be taking him to the hospital. I'll also be taking him to the hospital today to take his second dose of injection. And that is the thing that is taking me outside today, because if not, I would have just stayed at home all through. I'm not even cooking anything special for the family, nothing, not like, it's just a normal day. The only thing I want to do now is go live. You guys remember I spoke about going live, and yes, I've told myself, you're gonna do it. I'm gonna go live, guys. today is Monday. It will be very insensitive for me to, it's not even reasonable for me to go live on a Monday morning. In as much as I sit at home in Abia, not all of you are Abia residents. So, I mean, you guys will be at your workplaces, markets, everywhere, doing one thing or the other. I mean, it's Monday. So, I might try my best to create time for the live in the night, because I really want you guys to come and participate and celebrate with me, even though I'm not doing anything. But, you know, yeah. So, hopefully, when I go live, you guys will join me. Because I don't want to be alone. Oh my god. I'm +1. I'm a year older. The kid is looking at me and you guys. It's like, who is this one talking to? Let me show you if you don't move. Yeah, he's looking at me. It's like, who is this one talking to? Hi, boo. Hey, Tata.
Few hours later.
These are looking empty. How do not sell empty lip gloss to me? Anyway, this is the lip gloss I got in that last vlog. I've not been able to show you guys why I use it. I like the fragrance, but I legit thought it was going to give me a bit of color on my lip, because when I got there, she gave me different shades of nude, because I thought I wanted nude lip gloss, and she gave me different shades, the one that had pink undertone, this one, you know, a lot of them, and I just went for this because I was like, it's quite different from all that I have. Little did I know that it will just blend with my lip color. I don't know, it's not obvious, but I like it. I like the, what's it called? Is it texture? Yeah, whatever it is, I like it. I like that it's thick. I know I'm applying too much at this point, but I like that it's thick and it really lasts though. I don't feel like wearing any bulky earrings, so I'm just going to go with these studs that I have on. Anyway, so I'm going for needles injection. Then I decided, okay, since I'm leaving the house, let me just get cake for the house. I'm like, just get cake. Okay, just get cake. Let it just be that you marked your birthday. So I'm going to get cake. And yeah, carrying this purse. I think I wanted to carry my black purse, that's why it's here. I'm like, should I don't know, because I might want to take pictures. I don't know if you guys can see my full feet from there. This is what I look like. Hopefully you guys can see me when I go out. Maybe when I go to get the cake, I'll show you guys. But yeah, I'm wearing my gold slippers. I don't know if I should wear, I should carry my black, or I should just go with pink. Thing is, I don't want to carry black bag. The only reason why I even brought out this black bag was because I was wearing an Us Blood top, but I didn't like how it was because I'm going out with the boys, so I wanted to be comfortable. The Us Blood is a crop top, so I have to be conscious. So I just that's why I brought out the black. But now that I'm wearing a black top, I really do not want to carry this black bag. So let me just go with this, guys. I am loving this hair every day. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah. Neve, baby, how are you? You don't even have much things here, sir. You don't have much things here. You're swing and listen. You're not serious. It's my birthday, yet I'm buying toys for another person. Well, 1,003 per liter. At the fuel station, stop to buy for the house and for the car. 1,300 per liter. Wahala, wahala. Those of you that have you don't know what God has done for you people. That's why once you sleep and wake up in the morning and you open your eyes and you see that you're not in Nigeria, just say, ah, thank you, Jesus. Because, and those of us in Nigeria, when you just wake up and there is food in your kitchen, food in your pot, just kneel down and say thank you. Because what? 1,300 for an oil producing country. I remember when we used to buy 200 naira, 400 and something naira. What am I even saying? And then we even complaining. And now it's 1,300. We don't even see mouth to talk. Holy Ghost fire. It looks very dark. Back my head. Here is so dark and noisy because the gen is on. But I just dressed up and took pictures with my cake. You know, let's not just allow the day go like that. I don't want to go live now. The time, this is past 8, so I'm about to go into the room and create and go live with you guys. So must have gone live before this vlog goes up. So yeah, this is my cake. Very small cake, but I mean, you just ignore all these things you're seeing. When I was taking pictures, I was taking and clicking and doing nonsense. But yeah, guys, this is my cake. I'm so excited that I finally got this because I feel excited this night. I don't know if it's because of the messages I've been getting and you know every other thing that I've been coming with the birthday just uplifted my mood. But I feel excited. I've not even cut it. KD is sleeping. NATO is doing something. Everybody's just busy. Nobody. So I don't know. I'll just put this back into the fridge and go live. Talk to you guys. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your wishes. Those of you that came to my Instagram DM, I wish I could cut this cake and share with you guys. That would have made me so excited that you shared with this bomb. I'm sending you virtual cakes, okay? Virtual cakes. Take it, okay? Just take it. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much. I don't know if I'll be able to edit the pictures that I took this night and just upload it. I mean, today is still night. Oh guys, thank you. I'm so excited. I'm happy. See, if you're feeling bad about something, just put God first, because I just told God I'm going to be happy regardless. This birthday, I'm going to be happy, because whether I'm sad or I'm angry or I'm happy, I have added the ages, I have added it. Life goes on, right? So I just had to be happy. It's not like I was angry or sad, but you know when you have a lot of things you wanted to achieve and you didn't achieve it and you're like but I still have a long way to go. I still have long life to live by the grace of God. So yeah, I'm talking too much. Let's go. I don't know if I should end this vlog here, but I don't know if anything interesting comes up. I'll film. Guys, I like this my earrings so much. You guys already know now. Available. It's very available at the store. It's so cute. But yeah, this bangle is, but yeah, hey, well, that is awake. Hello, mic is working. Yes, and we go live in 3 2 1. I'm live. We are back. Oh, thank you so much, precious, for your sake. So this is how life feels. Okay, hopefully we get to do more. Thank you. I did not expect to see anybody. Oh, child, God bless you people so much for joining me here. I've been so scared because I'm like, what if I come on live and nobody joins? I'll just be talking to myself. But you guys joined in few seconds. When I did not give notification, network allow me now. Yay, network about me.